Your boy Virgin. Yeah. You may not know this game. It's called Blades of Brim. Simply, the thing is about Blades of Brim, you see these heroes. You can get the weapons and just slash dash for the missions. All I'm doing is just showing you a video of called Blades of Brim. Yeah. Enough talk. Set. Let's do this. Basically, it's like a free chest, but you need it with Wi-Fi. And now I got this guy. I'm gonna buy another one with my own money. Alright. Alright. Let's do this. Blaze. Blaze. Yeet. Oh. See this challenge in the portal quest, that gives you more chests and gives you more rewards. Right, let's do this. Hit. No! Perhaps I was talking too much. Me and my big mouth. Stay in place. Yeah. Give me that shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Flappers. Alright. And this here is like a jetpack from Subway Surfers, you know what I mean? And yeah, that's it.
Quasi tu na me. Hey!
Yeah, so these are like the armors to be found. Yeah. Not much characters in this. Like 8. But I got this one. Yeah, I know what you men are thinking now if you're human. Yeah, I can get her if I want to. 400, 400. Yeah. And the pets, got to upgrade them. See now, I can upgrade because I have the money. The others have to be found by working extra hard. So if you want to install this, see this? If you want to upgrade this, use the money. Use the thing that you save. Yeah. It's not that hard. It's really simple. Yeah. That's it. So, yeah. See you guys in the next vid. Peace.